Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Odyssey's oil life indicator. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on-to position, but do not start the engine. This allows access to the dashboard display. Next, find the Select/Reset button, typically a small stem or button on your instrument panel, often near the speedometer or fuel gauge. Once the ignition is on, repeatedly press the Select/Reset button. Continue pressing until the display shows the current engine oil life percentage. This indicator will typically show a number like 15% or 5%, indicating it's time for an oil change. Make sure this percentage is clearly visible before proceeding to the next step. Now, press and hold the Select/Reset button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding it until the oil life indicator and any maintenance codes on the display start to blink. This blinking signifies that the system is entering the reset mode. Once it begins to flash, you can release the button. To finalize the reset, press and hold the Select/Reset button one more time for approximately 5 seconds. The maintenance codes will disappear, and the oil life indicator will reset to 100%. This confirms that your oil life monitor is now fully reset and ready to track your next service interval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.